Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a decentralized website. I'm going to talk about NFT domain names, actually build a decentralized website on it, and finally how to access your newly created decentralized website on the blockchain. I will also talk about how you can add different cryptocurrency wallet addresses to your domain name in order to receive crypto payments. NFT domain names are web extensions just like a .com or .net, which are launched as smart contracts on the blockchain. NFT domains are stored in a wallet just like a cryptocurrency, and no third party can take them away. Before you buy the NFT domain, you need to think about the name itself. Pro tip is to check that name on namechecker.com. It's better to see if there are usernames available on different kinds of social medias before you select a specific domain name. To buy the NFT domain, we're going to use Unstoppable Domains, link below the like button. Okay, so now we're at Unstoppable Domains. The name that I have selected for this video is One Decentral Web. So we're going to write that down in the search bar and click on search. This domain is available in all of the extension on Unstoppable Domain. So we're going to select onedecentralweb.crypto. Then we're going to click on add to cart and continue to cart. Here we need to select if we are in the US or not. I'm not in the US, I'm in Germany, so I'm just going to click on checkout. To checkout, we have different options. For example, credit card, PayPal, cryptocurrencies. So select whichever option is easy for you. Here I'm going to select PayPal and just click buy now. Once the payment has been processed, now you have bought the NFT domain name. Next, we're going to click on go to domains. Now that we have bought our NFT domain, here is the time to mint that domain on the blockchain. To do that, simply click on free mint. As the mint is going to be on the Polygon network, it's going to be free of cost and there's going to be no fees or no gas fees associated with that. So simply click on continue. Here, the next option would be to choose a wallet. Now this is really important as the wallet that you choose, it's going to be associated with your NFT domain. So be sure that you're selecting the correct wallet. Here, I'm going to use the MetaMask wallet. If you're new to MetaMask, I have a video here where I've talked about how you can set up a MetaMask wallet. So please check that out if you want to know more. So here we're going to click on MetaMask and then simply click on next and again connect. So here the MetaMask is connected and I'll click on sign, and then you'll need to verify using the two-factor authentication method and give the verification code that was provided in your email. Now we make sure that the address is correct and click on I understand and click confirm. Now the minting process has started. It might take few minutes for this process to be finished. The minting process just took a couple of minutes. Now as we can see here, the minting is finished and the process is complete. Next, we are going to go into our domains or my domains and click on manage. And here we have different options to choose from. If you're not interested in actually making a decentralized website, you can also use your NFT domain as your wallet address. So no need to remember your long wallet addresses. You can simply use your NFT domain instead. So firstly, I'm going to show you how you can set up your NFT domain as your wallet address. A large number of cryptocurrencies are supported in Unstoppable Domain. The Ethereum wallet address is already in, as we use this address to mint our NFT domain. So we can add new cryptocurrencies in our NFT domain. I'm going to click on BTC and I'm going to add my Bitcoin wallet address to my NFT domain. Once I verified that this is the correct address, I'm going to click on confirm changes. Again, click on the MetaMask and click on sign, and you'll see that the changes are pending and we can track our progress here. Now I can use my NFT domain to receive different kinds of cryptocurrencies. If you want me to make a detailed video on this topic, just let me know in the comments below. So now we're going to actually build our NFT website. So again, we're going to go in manage and now we're going to click on website. If you're liking this video so far, I would really appreciate if you hit the like button. Here we actually have three options to create a website. The first one is redirecting our decentralized website to a centralized one. For example, I can redirect onedecentralweb.crypto to a traditional website, for example, snfinance.com. The second option, which is a bit more complicated, is that we can create an IPFS website and upload it. And the third option is that we can use a pre-made template which is available from Unstoppable Domain. So we are going to use the available templates to make our website. Again, here we have three options available: a personal, a for sale, or a coming soon. So here we're going to click on personal. Now we have 5 templates to choose from. You can select whichever. So I'm going to click on gentle. Here we have a very basic template. On the top left, we have our social media. In the center, we have our name. We have a call to action button and we can also upload an image, and at the bottom we can add some paragraphs or some text to our website. On the right hand side, you have the option of actually editing this template. So on the top under edit content, we have an image option. So if we click on image, here I'm going to select an image and I'm going to click on save changes. Alright, so the image is now uploaded. So here we can also change the title, we can change the text color, we can select whichever color we want, but I think the default one is okay. We can also add our social media links. So I'm going to click on my Facebook, Instagram, I'm just going to unselect LinkedIn, Medium, Telegram, and I'm also going to add my Twitter. So that's it, and I'm just going to click on save. Now these three options are also there. In the call to action button, you can write down whatever you want. So here I'm going to write down view my videos, and in the action option I'm going to actually select a URL, and I'm going to put in my YouTube channel address, and then I'll click on save. You can actually change the color you can click on whichever color you want, or you can use the color picker to select a specific color. So I'm going to click on the green color and then click on save. You can also change the background colors, the top color or the bottom color. I'm going to let it remain the same. Then I'm going to change the text in the column number 1. You can write down whatever you want and then click on save changes. I don't think that I want column number 2 to be there, so I'm going to just uncheck it and click on save. Here we have our decentral website, which has our name, our picture, our call to action, and some text written on it. We also have our social media links there. So next, what we're going to do is click on preview to see how it's actually going to look like. So everything looks good. We're going to click on the X and then click on publish to IPFS. Once we click that, it will again ask us to give access to our Ethereum wallet again. So we're going to click on the MetaMask. We're going to click on sign, and now the changes have been submitted, and we can click on track progress to actually track our progress. We'll now have to wait a couple of minutes for the transaction to be completed. To view the transaction details, you can click here to go to the polygonscan.com and see if the transaction has been completed. As we can see, the transaction was successful. If we go back and refresh our page, now we'll see that the transaction has been completed. If you're liking this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. As your website is decentralized, you cannot simply access it using Chrome or Firefox. You'll need to visit this domain using a special link or add custom DNS to your settings in Chrome or Firefox. To serve the decentralized web, you have certain options. For example, Brave and Opera browsers have certain native support for the .crypto domain name. However, for Google Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, you'll need to add custom DNS, which you can add by following this tutorial here. Once you add the custom DNS on Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or if you use the natively supporting browsers like Opera or Brave, you can now visit your decentralized website. And here is how the new website looks like. As you can see on the top, we have our social media links. In the middle, we have our call to action button, our image, and our text. Now this is a very simple website creation, and you do not need any prior knowledge about blockchain, NFTs, or domain name creation. But if you want me to make a new video on the complex website creation on the blockchain, just let me know in the comments below. Click here if you want to know how I'm investing in the metaverse, and click here if you want to know more about how you can create a traditional website. Gleb Ghazal, and I'll see you in this video.